at the Times Square now in Saigon. This is the top floor. There's a Royal Pavilion right here. I think it's a restaurant. Looks very posh and classy. Oh, look at this. The design is just so comfortable and so beautiful. I'm sitting on the comfortable sofa and have a look at the beautiful design right in front. Let's make my way down. Actually, this is the first time I'm making this video, even though I traveled to Saigon so many times. It said that here has one of the biggest shopping arcade. Let's check out. Wow, what we have here, some kind of crystal gallery. The prices are not cheap, from 9 million onwards. Crystal gallery. $47 million for this. Wow, that's more expensive than an iPhone, right? There's something strange here. I do not see any stuff in the shop. So if you want to buy something, maybe you have to contact the security or the reception below. Now this place, it feels like a museum currently, but maybe I'm the only person right now, the only visitor. It's just, this place is very like downtown, located in the Marine Way area in Saigon District 1. So just feel free to pop by and be surprised at how many kind of exhibits there are here. All these are for sale, but the prices are really high. There are even table, chairs, sofa. They call it a show flat by Eurasia concept. I think I don't see any staff once again, but it's a nice walk here because you feel like everything is so new and so fancy. Some colorful chairs. And we are back to the atrium. There's a cafe at the lower floor. Let's check out. Alright, I found a shop that I can go in. This place reminds me of the IKEA shop in Singapore, where there are a lot of furniture and home decor. There are more stuff here. I need to find out the reason why there are no stuff here. Is it because they think that customers can't afford the stuff, or they contact separately for the buying of the items? And going down to the next level, not many people here. I think they are just like elsewhere. Oh, this is the little cafe and the little restaurant here. You can have some snacks and drinks, and more of these shops here. Nice sitting area, and this side lead to the office, and right on the right side is lead to the hotel. So I'm at level 2 now. This is the lift lobby, reserved hotel and resident and guests. Need a card to go in. The hotel name is called the Reverie. Saigon is a 5-star hotel. Wow, there are even paintings here. Wow, wow. Many queens. There's even bed. And this escalator go down to the ground floor. By the way, there's an hourglass watch at this level. These are the office, Bank of China, SMBC and more. Going down, I see the hotel entrance right in front. The whole of this Times Square is a big shopping arcade, and then they have the hotel at the reception at the ground level, and there are rooms at the upper level. Hourglass with a Rolex and more watches. This will be a side entrance of the Reverie Hotel, and the design is just amazing. You can even take some photos in front with the flowers. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and like so that more people can also watch this. Thanks very much. This will be the hotel reception area. Nice design. And there's the main entrance. There are also some shops here at the exit lane to the Muyin Hui. I saw a wedding dress, wedding gown. This is the exterior of the Times Square, which is Muyin Hui walking street. It's raining right now, and you can see the City Bank Saigon Tower from here. Big elephant right here. There's a map of the Times Square. Basically the upper levels of a function room. And my video right here of the Times Square is a nice walkthrough. So take care everyone, see you in the next video. Stay healthy, bye bye.